Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make these super delicious ham and Swiss Hawaiian slider rolls. These are super easy to make. These slider roll pieces just melts in your mouth. They are heavenly, trust me. You'll definitely want to try this. So I'm at the grocery store and in an aisle I come across these King Hawaiian butter rolls. I'm like, hey, let's make some ham and Swiss slider rolls tomorrow. And that's what I'm going to show you now. Alright, let's get started. So these are the ingredients I have for this recipe. I picked up the King's Hawaiian butter rolls, ham, and Swiss cheese. And the rest I already had in my kitchen. And you can find these list of ingredients in my video description. So for this seasoning, I'm going to be using everything for a bagel seasoning. They seem to be harder to find, so poppy seeds could also be a replacement for that. Okay, we'll get started making our butter seasoning. We'll add half cup of butter to a pan. Once that's melted, we'll start adding 1 tablespoon of dried minced onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, and 4 teaspoons of everything on a bagel seeds. And mix well, and we'll be done with this. Okay, let's unpack the King's Hawaiian butter rolls, and you'll get the 12 pack. And you want to grab a serrated knife, and you'll cut the rolls right in the middle. Next, we're going to work with the bottom part of the rolls, and we're going to grab our mayonnaise and just spread the mayonnaise all over. This will give it some flavory taste and keep it moist on the inside of the rolls. Okay, and next we're going to grab our Swiss cheese. In these there are 8 slices per packet, so I bought 2 packets. We're going to lay out our cheese slices just like this. Okay, so 6 slices on the first layer, and next we're going to grab our chopped ham. I'm using Oscar Mayer ham, though you can use any type of ham that you prefer. There were a total of 16 slices of ham in this packet. Okay, so I laid out 4 slices of ham there, and I'm going to add another 4 slices right over. Okay, and we'll add another layer of 4 cheese slices in between. And we're gonna do another round of ham. So we're gonna add on another layer of 8 slices of ham. whatever's left in the packet. We're using everything we've got, so it's definitely going to be loaded. And we'll add our last layer of cheese, the remaining 6 slices of cheese here. Now we can bring back our top rows to cover it, and it should look like that. Got 3 layers of Swiss cheese and 2 double layers of ham in between. Now we can start to preheat our oven to 350. We can grab a baking pan, and I used parchment paper and sprayed it with pan, and we're going to place our slider rolls right in it. And now to add our melted butter seasoning. We're just going to add this on the top of each roll evenly. Okay, and now we can brush this all over the bread. Just make sure everything is coated so it won't dry up. Okay, and now we'll place foil over the pan, and it's ready to bake. We'll place this in the oven for 20 minutes. And here's how our slider rolls are looking like right out of the oven. This looks so yummy. And lastly, to top it off, we're going to add grated Parmesan cheese. Just sprinkle that on the top, and the heat will melt the cheese up a bit. And there you have it, our melted warm ham and Swiss cheese slider rolls. You can let it cool off for a few minutes and then cut them into their individual pieces. Guys, these are a must try. These are so delicious and literally melts in your mouth. I hope you give it a try. You'll definitely won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.